Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex Perry, and I make videos on filmmaking, cinematography, effects, tech, and product reviews. So if any of that interests you whatsoever, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there below. But today, I'm going to talk to you about how I save thousands of dollars per year using a service called Artlist. It's a simple, easy-to-use platform that not only gives you access to thousands of songs and sound effects, but also gives you royalty-free access to use worldwide. Sounds good to you? Then you're going to want to check out Artlist. And before I get into it further on why Artlist is so awesome and why it's good for you, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I do have a special offer just for you. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Alright, so let's jump right into this. For those of you that don't know, Artlist is a music licensing platform for filmmakers and content creators worldwide. They offer an annual subscription for their customers to access and use their full catalog of original music. With a flexible license combined with a wide variety of high quality music, Artlist is an ideal solution not only for independent filmmakers who can't afford to license multiple songs through other services, but also for YouTube and content creators or corporate filmmakers who make commercial work in high volume. Coming at a price point of just $199 US per year for unlimited music, or $299 US per year for unlimited music and sound effects, Artlist really does have a lot to offer. So first things first, let's talk about the license. Artlist offers a simple, worldwide license that is absolutely 100% royalty-free. This covers anything from personal projects to commercial client projects to TV, virtual reality, broadcast, podcast, YouTube, social media, video games. Just absolutely anything you can think of, you can use Artlist music in. This license covers everything. If you were to compare this to a different service such as Epidemic Sound, it's actually quite different. With Epidemic Sound, their basic subscription only covers your own social platforms. So you can use their music on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all that, but you cannot use it for any other project. So if you shoot videos for clients, you can't use that same subscription to take songs from their platform and use it in those projects. You need to spend a lot more money on their commercial subscription, which actually costs quite a bit more. And to compare things further, if you were to use a different service where you can purchase individual songs, you can see how that can add up quite quickly, especially if you're going to be getting a commercial license. That can cost you $100 per song, even up to thousands of dollars per song. So that will cost you a lot more money, costing you thousands of dollars per year if you want a different route. So the licensing on Artlist is all-encompassing, it covers everything, and is actually coming in at a great price. And the second great thing about Artlist is that anything you download is yours forever. That's right, absolutely forever. This means even if you were to cancel your subscription at any time whatsoever, you still have full access and a full license to use the songs you've downloaded up to that point. Every song you download through the platform is yours with its own individual license, so you can continue to use that license for forever. On top of this, you can actually download each song or sound effect as many times as you want to. It's just complete unlimited downloads for each song. This will come in handy if you happen to misplace your files, if you accidentally delete them off your hard drive. So that means you need to re-download the song again, so you can absolutely do that as many times as you want. The third thing that's so great about Artlist is they have a huge library. There are thousands and thousands of songs on Artlist, and it's all from independent musicians and artists. So this is all super high quality, great sounding songs and sound effects. It's absolutely not your standard royalty-free music. It's not the stuff that sounds like elevator music, right? So you're not gonna get something sounding like this. You're gonna get something that sounds like this.
Tell me it gets better. We said forever.
Artlist actually makes it super easy to search for what you're looking for by letting you search by mood, genre of music, video theme, and even instrument. And they have a spotlight section where they organize curated music into collections for you to check out. So this is basically like an organized version of their staff picks. So that's just pretty much what they recommend, and it's always awesome sounding, great quality songs. And the fourth thing I want to talk to you about is the access to sound effects as well. Like I mentioned earlier, you can get the subscription that only covers music, but if you get the one for $2.99 US, that'll cover music and sound effects. So Artlist has a huge collection of high quality original sound effects as well. So this is great for if you want to take the sound design of your videos to the next level. Let's face it, without great sound, no project will ever reach great heights. So having access to high quality sound effects with the exact same universal worldwide royalty-free license is so useful to have. All of the sound effects in the opening sequence of this video are actually from Artlist, and in my eyes, it really does take the sequence to the next level. So why don't we take a look at the sequence with just the sound effects in. So this will help you really pick up on the sounds and see what the sound design is like. Alright, well hopefully that helped you see and hear better where the sound effects were, how I placed them in there, what exactly they sound like. And I know it could be a little bit strange at times hearing them so loud and on their own without any music. Trust me, when it's all blended together, it sounds great. But to give you an idea of what it would be like without the sound effects in there, why don't we watch the clip through without any sound effects and just music. Alright, well I think that was still okay, but it could be better, right? So let's watch the clip one more time, this time with both the music and the sound effects in there. Do you see my point? When the sound effects are added back in there, it really helps elevate the experience. It really helps suck the viewer into it, and I just really think it takes things to the next level. Alright, well that covers a lot about what makes Artlist great, so that takes us to my offer, a special offer for you guys. Since partnering up with Artlist, I am able to offer you guys 2 free months if you sign up for a full year subscription. That's right, you will get 2 additional months on top of your yearly subscription if you sign up through my personal link. So if you just go to the website on your own, you're not going to be able to take advantage of that offer. So if you are looking to subscribe to a music service like this, make sure you click on the link that's in the description box down below and go through that way. Trust me, I think you'll love Artlist, and why not get 2 free months if you can? Who doesn't love getting free stuff, right? So take advantage of the offer right now by clicking that link. And there you have it. If you're anything like me and don't have thousands of dollars to spend every year on music licensing, hopefully this was able to show you how Artlist is a great option for you. Not only will it not break the bank, but it's just an overall great experience to getting some awesome music and awesome sound effects for your projects. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below. It'll definitely help me out and it'll be much appreciated. And why don't you drop me a comment letting me know what you use for your music right now. Are you using royalty-free music off of YouTube? Are you subscribed to a different music service? Let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys are using. Also, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell notification icon to be notified every single time I drop new videos like this one. There's lots more cool stuff coming your way, so you're going to want to stay tuned. I'm Alex Perry. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.